Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Today we're gonna talk about changing the theme in Visual Studio Code. So to change the theme, all you have to do is go here to this icon on the bottom left of the screen. The gear button is called Manage, and you go to Themes and you choose Color Theme. Now there are three types of themes. The first type is the light themes. The second one is the dark themes. So dark themes, light themes, and the last one is high contrast themes. So let's go to the I will choose one from the first category, light. We developers don't choose this the light theme, we just prefer the dark themes. And the second one is dark modern, so click here, this is my favorite. And the third type is high contrast, so you got dark high contrast and you got light high contrast. So these are not only the themes available, actually there are more themes. You can go to the extensions here and you can type here theme, and for example this is a good one, GitHub theme. You install it and then you can see list of themes that start with GitHub. So you can use, for example, GitHub dark high contrast, for example this one. So how to change the theme after you have installed such a dependency? You click this button, set color theme, and you choose, for example, GitHub dark dimmed or any theme you would like, GitHub dark default. And also not only from this button of the extension, so you go to the extensions and you go here to this extension you have installed and the list of themes will appear, but also not only from here but also from there, from the themes list. Now all the themes that start with GitHub have been added here. So for example GitHub dark, also that theme Monokai is the theme of Sublime Text, if you are familiar with Sublime Text. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much and I will see you next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.